Innovation is the heartbeat of progress. Welcome to 3Idea Technology, a pioneer in empowering idea labs across India. At 3Idea, we specialize in cutting-edge solutions that amplify creativity and precision, from advanced 3D printers, 3D scanners, robotics, laser engravers, to CNC routers. Our technology opens doors to endless possibilities. But our commitment extends beyond hardware. Our dedicated technical support team ensures seamless operations, guiding every step of your journey. And with our diverse range of consumables like resins and filaments, we fuel continuous innovation and production. Behind every success story, there's a strategic partnership. Our team forges connections with idea labs and optimizes procurement, ensuring projects reach their full potential. Join us in shaping the future of innovation solutions with 3Idea Technology. Contact us today and let's bring your ideas to life together. For inquiries, reach us at